Why a Black Hawk helicopter and a passenger plane? There will be flight restrictions in the world. In the strictest regional Washington, collided near the national airport. There were 60 passengers on the plane, and all 4 crew members were killed. 3 soldiers inside the Black Hawk helicopter were killed, not far from the crime location. It's the Pentagon of the U.S. Department of Defense. Also nearby is the U.S. Capitol building. A little further, it's the White House and the Vice President. On the north face, a Black Hawk helicopter. Along the Potomac and above, fly south. These pilots conducting annual night flight training. At the same time, American Airlines Flight 5342, heading north to Reagan National Airport Runway 1. A few minutes before landing, I was told to use the shorter Runway 33. When the flight altitude of the passenger plane drops to about 120 meters, Black Hawk helicopters use visual flight rules, approaching the airliner route by the pilot's own visual judgment to avoid contact with other aircraft or obstacles collide. And Flight 5342 is operating under instrument flight rules. Ease in the manual area. Priority in nuclear wood flight rules. After the Black Hawk helicopter discovered the airliner, should take the initiative to avoid. Minutes before the collision, the air traffic control tower at the airport calls Black Hawk. Make sure they see a passenger plane. Black Hawk responded that he saw it, but what they saw was another plane. At this moment, Flight 5342 is descending directly onto his route. This false visual recognition. As a result, the Black Hawk failed to adjust its route in time. This leads to tragedy. According to relevant information reports, yes, Blacktone helicopter, equipped with a full-view digital navigation system. And the simple answer is this. The system is essentially a 360-degree radar. It can clearly display within a range of about 1 kilometer of any object. But judging from the video, the pilot didn't notice anything unusual. And this permission allow any aircraft to visually observe flight rules. Unrestricted flight near the airport. Will this change?